Working on this. May not look like a lot, but I mean, from the description, you can kind of guess what this is. This is a cantilever hook, cant hook, PV, whatever you want to call it. That is it's a Warren Axe and Tool Co. I spent the better part of my evening last night getting this thing undone because I thought that was a screw. It's not a screw. Not a screw at all. It's some kind of ancient nail. Because I managed to get that one pulled out right there. But yeah, this thing is ancient. But I got a brand new handle for it, so we're gonna put that thing on here today. So come on. Anyway, while I was setting this up, I found that ancient nail. It's a twisted nail, and it had a bigger head on it to begin with. But yeah, got that nipped off. But anyway, I got this thing apart last night. I don't think we're gonna reuse that. Let's throw that in the back. Don't need this anymore. Throw that back. We're gonna leave it rusty. But we're leaving it rusty. I might hit the inside of it. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the inside of it a little bit, but we're leaving it. We're gonna leave it rusty. Put some WD-40 on it. Some yeah, we're leaving it rusty. But I kind of halfway cheated a little bit. And I've got our handle kind of mocked up here. I gotta come down here. So we gotta peel this off. So we can get this to set down. Basically, we're going to here. We're going to here. So we gotta get this all the way to here. So we're gonna do a little peeling today. Yeah, about right in there. Just to make this line up real good. My mother would be proud of me. I'm wearing rubber gloves. And I'm just kind of going over this, scuffing it. Trying to get all that stuff off there with a little WD-40 and the old Scotch-Brite pad. Not a whole lot. Like I said, I'm leaving it rusty. Just enough. That looks so much better. And yeah, I know it's rusty, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna do the same thing to the hook right here. That's it. There we go. You can read that now. Real good. I like it. I don't think things should get this rusty and still look good, just to be cleaned up and shined up again. We don't need rubber gloves anymore, I don't think anyway. But I got some pencil marks on here where we're gonna fit this thing to. I think this is about optimal. I had it here, clamped it down, wasn't tight enough, but we're just gonna slide that down here. And this clamps. It'll end up and clamp up pretty tight. And I got, wherever I put it, there it is. Got a fresh set of bolts. This is nothing to this thing right here. We're just gonna take our hook, take a bolt, take our hook, slide that through there. Washer. This didn't come with a. This had a square head on it and a rusty bolt that I ended up and had to cut off. it was, said I was going to try to use the original hardware. Like I said, I thought that hole right there had a screw in it, but you know, it didn't. So this wants to flop around here like that. I'm human. Yeah. No. Anyway, now we got a spot right here where we can kind of gauge where this piece is going to go in here. Kind of right about in here. There's about 7 inches from here to that hole right there. So we're gonna start fitting this thing. We're gonna chuck her up in the vise and move y'all around a little bit. But we're gonna cut that knob off right there. We're just removing a little bit so we can get down on top of this thing. All right, we're flush. I'm gonna pop this out and give it a few whacks. All right, so what I've done, we're still looking up top here, but this spot right in here is good. I don't have to peel any more off of that, but this spot right here till about somewhere in here, I need to hog some more off of there. Same with this backside right here. Just a little bit right in there. Not a whole lot, because this thing isn't perfectly, it's not perfectly round. So we're just gonna really shave that off right there. Bump my vise. We're not gonna go here, really. We're gonna focus on right in here. Right here at this edge. And work this thing down. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and bevel that edge while we're at it. Gotta admit, folks, I forgot to turn the camera back on. So we've done quite a bit of fit. My bad. But in reality, we should be close to getting there, I think. A wee bit more sanding. Or kind of wooden handle. These beaver tooth handles, beaver tooth handle cover, they really are spot on. Like, I really haven't had a bad handle come out of them. I mean, and I'm not getting the A grade handles either. I mean, I'm just getting the run of the mill. All right. I think we're almost there. I think that's gonna be good. It's gonna look good too. Let's move you around. Ah, there we go. I need y'all to comment what kind of drill I should get, whether that be Milwaukee or Makita, because this drill is dying. For lack of better words, it's dying. We're flush. Well, almost. There. That should give that hold. Move you down here. I drilled out the holes considerably more. Just because, well, I'm an idiot sometimes and I didn't get the right screw. Well, I pulled up real dumb when I was talking while I was cutting this thing off. Yeah, we're almost done. There we go. A new blade for the coping saw. That's off. I'm just saying that. This place is practically sponsored by Harbor Freight. Obviously. Oops. Yeah, it looks good enough. Oh, we're running out. That's all right. How good I am today. I'm wearing gloves. I think I'm running out. Nope, maybe I'm not. Just gotta tilt it just right. That is the whole entire thing right there. Big old shiny cantilever hook, PV. It'd have been nice to keep the original bolt in there, but you know, it's just one of those square bolts. But it's gonna get some use, hopefully here soon. I made a mistake over here near the sander, but I want to drink it anyway because I'm cheap. I doubt a little bit of hickory dust is going to kill me. I hope not anyway. But sponsor me, Monster, please. I drink too many of them. I need to quit. But we also got something else coming up, and I've gotten back into shooting bows archery. Not really compound per se, or more recurves. But I've started collecting in like the last 6 months, and it's got plumb out of hand. It has, but it's a really cool passion of mine, you know. And we might start doing like a little, you know, Saturday shoot a bow thing. We got enough for about 12 weeks of shooting here, so But you know, I'm getting back into it, getting better at archery. So we're gonna switch into some archery over here. Broaden our horizons, because hey, I got too many things. I got the axes, I got this thing, I got other things that I'm always interested in. So we're just gonna keep bouncing all over the place with this terrible ADD that I have. But anyway, that's just a kind of heads up on that. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.